Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin right away by getting the AirPods and Android ready. First, open the case and hold it near your phone. This forces the AirPods into discovery mode. On Android, turn on Bluetooth and keep the Bluetooth settings screen visible so pairing prompts appear. If you can briefly access an Apple device to update firmware, do that first. It reduces connection flakiness. Once done, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes white to signal discoverability. Then move to your phone to accept pairing. You'll now pair and configure audio routing. Tap the AirPods entry in your Android's Bluetooth list. Accept any permission prompts for contacts or call audio. Make sure media and headset profiles are both selected so music and calls use the AirPods. If you want spatial audio-like control or customizable controls, install a reputable companion app. This provides firmware-like toggles and battery readouts. Once paired, test music playback and a quick call to confirm microphone routing. Finish by refining behavior and learning a key recovery step. You can assign press and hold actions, noise control toggles, or transparency tweaks through the companion app or by customizing Android accessibility gestures. If the AirPods fail to connect or audio drops, reset the case. Hold the pairing button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. Finally, reboot your phone and toggle Bluetooth off and on if problems persist. This clears temporary Bluetooth caches and usually restores stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.